Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for the love and support for watching my videos. Today is Lyra's playtime again. Hi Lyra. Say hi Lyra. Lyra. Hi. It's playtime. Let's watch it. Hi Lyra. Hi. Are you playing? Where is your toy? Your Is this one? Oh, they're still working. The mice. Get the ball. She loves the ball. You want another ball? Let's get another ball. Okay, you don't want to play the ball. Okay. But you can play this one here. The one with the ball. Look, isn't it you playing this before? Look at the ball here. Look the ball. You play with this ball. The ball is coming. Keep on playing with the ball. Bring the ball back here. Come back here. Play with the ball. Get the ball, Lyra. Lyra, get the ball. Play with the ball. The ball. Play with the ball. Yeah, thank you for playing, Lyra. Wait a minute. I will give you your treat. Sit down. Sit down. Very good. Now, you can have it your treat for playing very, very well. Ay, nalaglag naman. Oh, ayan. Very good, Lyra. Sit. Stay, sit. Stay. Stay. You still want to play? You still want more? That is your treat. Of course, after Lyra's playtime, of course, let's give her food. Her lunch break is 1 o'clock. This is a minced chicken. We just simply call, Lara, food, where are you? She's there waiting. It's lunchtime. Okay, here's your food, baby. Lyra, are you happy? Okay, that is her food. And okay, Lyra, enjoy your meal. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and God bless us all. Lyra Bell. Hi, Lyra. You say bye. Lyra.